Hi folks, this is Jin and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I am going to install skirting boards. The room is finished more or less. Only the skirting boards need to be installed. For that I am using 12mm wide and 70mm high baseboards, which I need to cut for the right length. These ones are 3.20 m, and then nail them to the wall. Now I cut off the right length and will nail it in place. Now the floor is not always as even as we want, and I already glued masking tape on the floor and will be using this acrylic sealant for the caulking. Good thing about working with acrylic is that you can use water and wet cloth in order to correct it, and it will not glow on your fingers and mess everything around like silicone does. Now that's how a perfect skirting board looks like, in my opinion. Let's attend to the other side. First I have to cut off the remnants of the underlayer for the laminate flooring, measure it, cut the right length, and then nail it to the wall. perfect. Again, there is an unevenness in the floor which I need to... No, actually not, so it's even very well. So let's put it in place. And now the remaining part, the skirting board underneath the soft headboard. Okay, the planned work for today is completed. I like the result. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.